Today is a big day. I've been a Mac user for 14 years and I'm moving over to Windows. So now we're going to unbox my Dell XPS 15. I'm very excited and also a little bit nervous as I haven't used a Windows computer for so long. Here we go. So we'll get rid of this. Dunzo. Bring this guy in. This is the Dell XPS 15. Let's unbox it. Okay, it's pretty sweet box. Let's turn it around the right way. We're not messing around here, are we? Look at this. It's a great box. Swing. Oh, that's good. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, so it looks unbelievably good. Let's pull off some of these stickers and stuff. So there's the back. As you can see, feels very thin. Okay, so let's compare a 2015 MacBook Pro 15-inch with a 2020 Dell XPS 15, and you can tell it's quite a big difference in size there. Okay, now the moment of truth. The thing I'm most excited and nervous about. Let's open this guy up. Ooh. It's good.